And today in the international media, there is virulent propaganda about Islam. The media, it is bombarding misinformation about Islam, whether it be the news channels, whether it be the radio broadcast stations, whether it be the television channels. There is virulent propaganda about Islam in the international media. And there was an article published in the Newsweek magazine on the 16th of April, 1979. The statistics said, in the span of 150 years, from 1800 to 1950, more than 60,000 books were written against Islam. That means if you divide this by the number of days, every day on an average, more than one book is written against Islam. And after 9/11, this has reached epidemic levels. Every day, several books are written against Islam. And if you want to become famous, what do? You just write a book against Islam, and the high chances that it will become a bestseller. The high chances that that book will become popular. And there are various strategies of the media to spread misconceptions.